Hello friends! Today we are going to be learning about kitchen. Kitchen is a room or area where food is prepared and cooked. Cookware. We cook our food using these utensils like rice, dal and vegetables. Microwave. We bake tasty cakes, cookies, pizzas and many more. Mixture grinder. We make fruit juice using it. We grind spices to make powder. Refrigerator. We store cold drinks in cold water so that we can have during summer months. Ladle. We take out food with it like rice, curry. Cutting board and knife. We chop fruits and vegetables on cutting board and knife help us to chop fruits and vegetables. Sink. Here we wash the utensils, fruits, vegetables. Spatula. It helps us in sorting the food. Thank you for watching.